How to teach your child to read faster. Step 1. Start with phonic sounds. Step 2. Teach 2-letter words and move on to words family. Introduce 3-letter words. These are available in our channel. Check description. Introduce blending sounds and sight words. Step 4. Teaching sounds with diagraph is more important to read fast. Diagraph is 2-letter that makes one sound. SH, sh, CH, ch, WH, w, TH, th, PH, p. Here are few diagraph words. SH, sh, ip, ship, sh, at, shut, ish, dish, cash, cash, CH, ch, eek, cheek, ch, in, chin, bench, bench, lunch, lunch, were, at, what, were, I, why, were, were, and when, the, at, that, the, is, this, the, a, they, the, them, own, phone, is, face, elephant, photo. Step 5. Teach sounds with glued words. These are ending sounds. ing, ing, ink, ink, ake, ache, and, ing, ing, the, ink, thing, k, ing, king, r, ing, ring, ing, sing, ink, the, ink, think, p, ink, pink, s, ink, sink, bl, ink, blink, egg, k, egg, cake, t, egg, take, f, egg, fake, egg, make, and sand, b, and band, l, and land, br, and brand. These are very few examples. Keep practicing more words to get familiarized with sounds. Introduce storybooks. Keep practicing more sounds. In next video, we'll tell you more about phonic sounds and spelling tricks.
Thank you for watching.